to help you today?
Hi, I have this friend that I'm really worried about. Her name is Loretta McDowell. She's been doing a lot of bad stuff and running around with a really rough crowd. She's been drag racing in the streets at night.
Oh dear. Loretta's always been such a good student.
I know, and I'm really worried about her, but I don't know how to tell her without ruining our friendship.
Sometimes you have to make difficult decisions, but it's the right one. It sounds like your friend needs some help. Let's call her down. Hi, this is Counselor Terry. Could I see Loretta McDowell, please, in the counseling office? Thanks. I know it's tough, but you're making the right decision.
I really hope so.
Hi, Loretta. Come on in. How are you today?
Great, how are you?
I'm fine, but I'm a little concerned. Mallory has said that you have been making some maybe not very good choices lately.
Oh yeah?
You've been drag racing at night? It's dangerous.
What are you, a snitch?
Loretta, I don't want to do this, but I didn't want to do this, but I felt like I had to. You're really out of control and you need help. Our friendship means so much to me. I wasn't sure.
Loretta, Mallory is being a true friend.
Oh, you guys don't understand me. We're not friends anymore.
It's okay,
True.
Mallory.
How to be a true friend.
Hi, my name is Amelia Vishamsky, and I'm with Abby Whittle and Anna Cesaro as part of Character Council 4-H, and we're here to tell you about being helpful. And to be helpful means to aid somebody in their time of need. To start off, we're going to show you an example of what it means to be helpful. Oh my gosh, did you hurt yourself?
Yeah, I think I fell.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Let's go to the nurse.
Okay.
So in that example, Anna fell down from the monkey bars and Abby went to help her. And that is a great example of what you should do in that situation. Now we will show you an example of what being unhelpful looks like.
Oh my gosh, did you fall? Yeah, I think I hurt myself.
Loser. So in that example, Anna fell down and Abby mocked her and did not help her, and that is an example of what you should not do. Now we will show you another scenario where being helpful comes into play.
What's wrong? Are you feeling okay? I'm sad. That's okay. We can talk about it.
In the same scenario, we're going to show you what not to do.
Hey, you look kind of sad over there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too bad for you. I'm having a really good day.
In the next few scenes, we're going to show you a mix of helpful and unhelpful scenes, and we want you to guess which ones are helpful and unhelpful.
Are you sad? Yeah.
Wait, cry some more.
Jeez, these weeds are getting so overgrown. Let me help them out a little bit. Ooh, this looks pretty cool. I'm Anna.
I'm Abby. And I'm Amelia.
And I hope this video taught you guys a little bit about how to be helpful and some good tools you can use when someone else is in need.
We hope you enjoyed our video.
Are you using your phone to cheat on this test?
Yes.
That's not showing integrity. You're gonna have to get a 0 on this one and retake it later. Were you cheating too?
No.
No? Perfect. You get an A. Integrity.
Our character council group trait was necessary, and necessary is doing what needs to be done in a certain situation. Walking with your mask down in the hallway is actually not a good representation of doing what's necessary. To keep everybody in the school safe and your friends and family, keeping your mask on in the hallway makes sure that you don't spread COVID, and it keeps everybody healthy.
Platte County High School's Character Council brings you a video about 5 ways to spread kindness in the lunchroom. Kindness is a type of behavior marked by acts of generosity, consideration, or concern for others.
Hey, Abby,
Yeah,
do you want to sit with us? We have another spot.
sure. Thanks.
Okay, you're welcome. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I help you carry your stuff?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your keys fell out of your bag. Thank you. You're welcome.
Those were just a handful of ways you can show kindness in the lunchroom. There's so many more. Remember, kindness is important because it is doing things to help make other people's lives better. It allows us to connect with other people and build meaningful relationships. When someone does a kind act, we feel connected and more willing to cooperate with them. Always be kind because you never know what someone is going through. Kindness makes the world a better place. Thank you for watching.
Oh my god. You suck. And your hair is bad. It's not very kind. And your shoes are lame.
Hey, you used a golden rule. Treat other people how you're supposed to be treated.
Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said those things.
Okay, I forgive you.
Hola, welcome to Spanish class. Today for our warm-up activity, we're gonna say what we're all having for dinner tonight. Ryan, you get to go first.
¿Qué vas a comer?
Good.
Yo voy a comer pollo.
Good, Mar.
Are you trying to say chicken? Because it's pollo. Tú eres estúpida.
Ryan, that was not appropriate. You cannot make fun of someone when they're trying to learn just like everyone else. Let's try again. This time use a little more universality, okay? Go ahead.
¿Qué vas a comer?
Good.
Yo voy a comer pollo. That was good.
Good.
That's right.
Nice job. This time, Ryan used her universality.
Universality is the act of being
True and appropriate.
for all situations.
You should post that. Johnny would love that.
Post it.
Perfect.
What happened last night? Oh no! Did I post this? I'm not gonna get into Harvard now!
Ooh, look at this candidate. Her application looks awesome.
Yeah, but look what she posted on Instagram.
I'm not sure we want someone like that at our school.
I don't think so either.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Here we go. Oh, it's not admitted? What happened? Hello, I'm here for the interview.
Hi, yes. So we reviewed your application and your grades and test scores were awesome.
Yeah, and you had really good extracurriculars and community service, but we did find a video of you on social media, and we didn't think we wanted that to be something that represented our school. So I don't think we're going to accept you.
No.
Think before you post.
Don't give in to peer pressure.
Don't let your social media be a bad representation of you.
Don't post something if you wouldn't want your grandma to see it.